Hi YouTube, I am back with another haul. I just got a package. It came in the mail. I'm just playing. It was at the door, and I got a text message. But yeah, I don't even know which one this one is. I low-key do, but I low-key. I was supposed to tour an apartment today, but I had read the reviews, and I was like, I'm not sure. So, oh, they has a double. This, am I gonna do a try on haul? Yes. Press on nail queen. I'm Queen DIY. Did y'all not know? These are literally press ons. And this is a makeup, not a makeup bag. It's a makeup bag, but me, I'm just gonna put stuff in it. It says stuff. You just put stuff in it. So yeah, it's gonna be good for moving. If I have like stuff just, I'm actually gonna use that. If y'all didn't go Black Friday shopping, I don't know what to tell you. These are like 2 pieces. Damn. It's so many. Yeah. Everything is just gonna be so cutesy when I get my apartment. I can't wait till I get my apartment in due time. Okay, this I'm not gonna show y'all. It's okay. Y'all don't even care. Y'all don't care. Now this is a hot comb because I want to start doing weird. You know, I'm just buying stuff for the future, literally, like when I get my apartment. Because, girl, I got twisted right now. I just wanted to get this, but this is pink. Get the roots when I'm straightening my hair, too. Yeah. Okay. I hate struggling. Okay, so do I want to do a try on haul? That mean I have to take all this off. I look you don't. Y'all just gonna have to see it when you see it. Nails. These better not be. The thumb do look a little wide. Oh, let's get into these. Chat, I tried to. This thumb big as hell. I could just tell. From TikTok shop are definitely better than TEMU. But these are gonna be lighter on my fingers though. And not long, they're not gonna hurt. Okay. Girl, I might put these on tonight. Oh, chat, I got a dentist appointment tomorrow. Dentist appointment at 1 o'clock. Try on haul. Let's get it started. This is the outfit today. It's not really an outfit. I just put something on. Because I was, like I said, I was supposed to go. Okay. I had a different fit on at first, but now I'm just getting out of it because I ain't going where I was. Okay, so anyway, back to the haul. These are the shirts I'm gonna put on, and I'm gonna be showing y'all what I'm gonna put in this. The white one. You see that stuff over there? This is perfect. This is exactly why I got this bag, for that stuff over there. It's like edge control. Perfect, girl. I might do this first because I don't even like y'all seeing that in my background. I got distracted. And I don't got to tie it or nothing. It show my tab. Which color would I match it with? The black on black, of course. They love one little lady put that black on black. Okay, so next is black on black. Black on black. Black on black on black on black. Yeah. So this is the all black. Oh, when y'all see me wear this tomorrow, bro, shut up. Because this is the try on. And I'm trying it on and I like it. So I'm going to wear it tomorrow. These are like chilling at the house fits. Y'all got to understand that. These are not going outside fits. Just chilling at the house fits. Like, I would not go outside like this. Keep it a bean. No. I be chilling at the house. All of that was not even being recorded because, but anyway, like I was saying, I don't even know what I was saying, but yeah, I'm giving y'all YouTube videos. I hope y'all tune in, share, like, and comment. Perfume. This is what I use to work out and do squats. Things of that nature. Should I put my air control in here? And comb. Everything over here. Nail polish. Hair ties. More deodorant. Yes, the deodorant. Hair glue. I don't even want this pink in here. My two gems, they can go in this too. Let's see if it will close. The bag full of stuff. People call me a hoarder, but it's not a hoarder. It's just being prepared, you know? Deodorant, charger. Hold on. Now I need to put these clothes up. Okay, now I need to put everything up. I can throw this away because it's chat. This is broken. I just don't need it. It's not appealing. So this is trash. Okay, chat. Now with the bag, it looks better than trash. So this is the end of the haul. I got the bag, the tops, and I got a hot comb and like set 2-piece set. But that's the end. Hopefully I post this one so we can have 2 uploads in 1 week. Cause I've been slacking. I've been like waiting for like 8 days to post or like 2 weeks, which is even worse. So I'm trying to be consistent because people keep telling me to keep going, which I love, love, love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But see ya when I see ya. Thank you for the support.